In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can report players here on Marvel Rivals. There's two different ways to do this, and I'm going to show you both. But before we actually get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point that this guide did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, the first method is obviously reporting during a match. Whenever you're in game, if you just open up your settings, just by hitting start and then opening up your settings, you'll see a list of all your players in your match. Find whatever player you want to report, just select their name and then hit the little report icon. It's going to ask you a reason for reporting. Choose whatever your reason might be, such as cheating, botting, voice chat abuse, or another option. And after that, just follow the prompts on screen to submit the report. You can also add extra details if you want before sending it. But what you can also do if it's outside of the game is actually select this little like people icon up here, and then you can go to your recent players just like so. And as you can see, this is an example of someone right here. I'm not going to actually report them, but essentially just hover over their name and you're going to see a tab where you can just open up a menu. Just essentially go down to this report player option right here, choose whatever option it might be. For example, botting, hit next, and then go ahead and type in an extra input if you like and just hit confirm report in order to send that in. If a player isn't listed as a recent player, but you do know their username, you could also search for them manually and report them that way. But that is it. That is how you can report players here in Marvel Rivals. If you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.